Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the unboxing of the Vivo V9 as well as a quick hands-on. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now like I said, I shall be doing a quick unboxing of the Vivo V9. Before I start, a huge shout out to the Vivo guys for sending over the review unit, and if you're new here and you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you do not miss any new subscriptions. Anyways, let's get started. On the front of the box is the image as well as the tagline, perfect shot, perfect view. On the back of the box are the key specifications of the phone, which we shall get to very soon. On opening up the box, and I find quite a few accessories and items in the box here. The first item here is a SIM tray ejector tool. Next is a quick start guide, transparent TPU case, earpod-ish style earphones, micro USB cable for charging. Really Vivo, micro USB. This is 2018. This is unacceptable. And finally, the last thing in the box is the charger. And at just 150 grams, the Vivo V9 is a light, and this is the first thing I noticed on picking up the device, almost as light as paper. Now on the back of the Vivo V9 is a dual 16 plus 5 megapixel camera setup. On the front is a notch that contains a 24 megapixel f2.0 camera, and Vivo has sort of implemented face unlock here, and it is quite easy to set up, to my surprise. Speed wise, it is also fairly fast as well, and I'll let you know what I think after using this feature for a while. On the right side of the phones are the buttons, both for power and volume. The Vivo V9 runs PhoneTouch OS 4.0 at top Android 8.1. Now I've enabled the full screen mode, and I can basically not tell this apart from iOS. Like, no, seriously. Gestures, icon, and the notification bar were all copied from iOS, and I guess if this is a strategy that works for Vivo, then who am I to complain? In case you do not want to use face unlock, there's a traditional fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone, which is quite fast as well. For specifications, the Vivo V9 has a Snapdragon 626 mated to 4 GB of RAM and a 3260 mAh battery. The camera interface here is quite simplistic with a plethora of modes, including portrait mode for both the front and back cameras. Now I'll be taking photos and videos every single day. I'm going to use this phone from today, and I'll let you know in a dedicated camera video. The display on the V9 here is a 6.3-inch full view IPS display, and it actually looks pretty decent. Now that is if the notch does not disturb you, and frankly I do not care much for the notch. Price wise, here in Malaysia the V9 retails for 1,399 Malaysian ringgit with some estimation conversions on screen right now. So what do you feel about the Vivo V9 here? Do you think it's a good device? Do you think it's a bad device? What are your thoughts? What videos would you like me to make about the V9 here? Please let me know in the comment section down there below. And while you're there, please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification icon so you do not miss any new videos. And basically, thank you so much for watching this video. I've got a Patreon if you would like to support what I do here. That would be fantastic. But even more than that, please make sure you take care of your awesome, amazing self. You're worth a lot, in case you did not know, like a lot. So I'm reminding you here today. Anyways, that's basically been it for this video. I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing person next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.